Now this, what I'm about to tell you, is deeply concerning because it appears after years of the government basically kind of shoving multicultural down our faces, especially with all the illegal boat people coming over here from the safe country of France, it seems that the police now have taken it upon themselves to police their laws over ours. And I say that because according to this article it says that the police have been accused of enforcing Sharia law on the streets of Britain. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm pretty sure that the only law that should be enforced over here is UK law, not Sharia law or any other law from anywhere else in the world. UK law, because we are the UK. So what's going on then? Well, it says a man who burned pages of the Quran at the memorial of a Manchester arena bombing victims has had his personal details released by the police, sparking backlash. And Martin Frost, who is 47, admitted a racially aggravated public order offence for his actions on Saturday. Now, I don't know about you, but as far as I'm aware, that the Quran is a religious book, and therefore it's not got anything to do with race, is it? Because anyone could follow any religion they like, so it does seem a little bit like they're making a bit of a martyr out of him, doesn't it? And also to release his details on social media is kind of putting him in a dangerous situation, because remember, in some countries they'll, I guess, chop your hands off for stealing, chop your head off for saying the wrong things, or, I don't know, whistling the wrong song on a Tuesday night. And there may be some of those people, let's just say, won't be too happy with what he's done. And whilst admittedly I'm not saying that anyone should be burning anything in public, it was, as far as I'm aware, just a few pages of a book at a memorial because his daughter died. So you think there'd be some sort of leeway. I mean, it does make you wonder what's going to be next, doesn't it? However, it says the case has been heavily criticised by free speech campaigners who believe it will leave Frost in a vulnerable situation, which is what I was kind of touching on there. Stephen Evans, the chief executive of the National Secular Society, told The Telegraph, "This case brings us perilously close to reinstating blasphemy laws," which is kind of true, isn't it, if you think about it. The police now appear to be enforcing Sharia law on the streets of Britain, he said, which, I don't know about you, but can you imagine if you went over there and said that as there's a load of us over there now, you're going to have to start enforcing our laws? I mean, not only would I guess they'd laugh us out of the town, but also, depending on where you go, of course, we'd be lucky to have any limbs left, no doubt, eh? And Greater Manchester Police announced his charge on X, publishing his name, date and the borough where he lives, which, if you think about it, isn't too clever, is it? Because no doubt, of course, there'll be one or two people who aren't exactly too happy with the guy. General Secretary of the Free Speech Union, Lord Young, had condemned the force's decision to do this, raising concerns in a letter about the defendant's safety. Lord Young said the case should never have been a police matter, adding the decision to name Frost may have placed him in great jeopardy. And it was revealed on court on Monday that Frost's daughter had died in the Israel-Gaza war, which triggered his actions.